हेलो व्यूवर्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल ट्रैकिंग कॉर्नर में खुशामदीद। और आज हम कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट लिटरेरी टर्म्स को डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। आज की लिटरेरी टर्म्स जिनका हमने इंतखाब किया है वो हैं सिमिली, मेटाफर, पर्सनिफिकेशन। आइए बढ़ते हैं। सबसे पहले हम सिमिली को डिस्कस। तो सबसे पहले हम सिमिली को देखते हैं। सिमिली इज अ कंपैरिजन बिटवीन द ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ सिमिलर क्वालिटीज। और जो ये कंपैरिजन होता है बिटवीन द ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ सिमिलर क्वालिटीज, वी यूज द वर्ड्स एज एंड लाइक। फॉर एग्जांपल, as sweet as sugar. Here the comparison between the objects is because of their sweetness. As black as coal. And similarly, they fight like cats and dogs. The comparison between the objects is because of their fighting habit. Here is another example. Oh, my love is like a red rose that's newly sprung in June. Oh, my love is like the melody that's sweetly played in tune. Here we have metaphor. Metaphor जो होता है, that is also a comparison between the objects of similar qualities. But the comparison here is direct comparison. We do not use the words as and like. It is, in fact, a direct comparison between the objects of similar qualities. For example, the snow is a white blanket. White blanket. The snow is looking like a white blanket. Her long hair was a flowing golden river. Long hair are being compared with a flowing golden river. The falling snowflakes are dancers. Here, the comparison between the falling snowflakes and the dancer is the falling snowflakes are looking like a dancer. You are a lion. Here, the braveness of a person is being compared with a lion. So let's move to personification. Nazreen, personification, that is also a kind of metaphor. और इसमें जो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट आइडियाज होते हैं या इनएनिमेट ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं और क्वालिटीज होती हैं, वी स्पीक अबाउट देम एज इफ दे वर पर्सन्स और ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. It is a special kind of metaphor in which abstract ideas, inanimate objects, or qualities are spoken of as if they were persons or human beings. For example, opportunity knocks at the door but once. Here the opportunity is being spoken of as if it were a person, a human being. Similarly, the car danced across the icy road. The stars in the clear night sky winked at me. नाजरीन, अब तक के लिए इतना ही। मजीद वीडियोस के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। गुड बाय।